Welcome, in front of me is a WIKO View Go, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, you'll want to open up Settings. From here, select Storage and select your SD card. So it'll take you to the storage itself. So from here, all you need to do is tap on the three dots, go to Storage Settings, where you'll find the option to format it. So select Format. It does give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card, and if there's anything that you'd like to keep on that card, well, then you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you don't want to, you can select Erase and Format. Process automatically begins, and this only takes a couple seconds, so once it's finished, which it is right now, all you need to do is click on Done, and you're completely finished with the process. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.